In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to set up classes and locations, if you want cleaner, more insightful reporting in QuickBooks. Online, classes and locations are essential tools. Think of classes as a way to tag parts of your business, such as departments, projects, or product lines, while locations can represent physical sites, regions, or business units. Used together, they give you clear profit and loss breakdowns and help you see exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. In this tutorial, we'll use the current desktop interface to set them up and apply them to your transactions. Start on the QuickBooks Home dashboard. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open your settings menu. From there, choose All Lists. This takes you to the central place where QuickBooks keeps your company's lists. Here you'll see options for both classes and locations. Click Classes if you want to manage classes, or click Locations if you want to manage locations. You can build either one first. The process is the same. On the list page, click New. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your class or location. Aim for something intuitive, so everyone on your team understands what to choose when they're recording transactions. For example, you might use names like Marketing, Services, North Region, or Warehouse, depending on what makes sense for your business. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Repeat this process to create as many classes or locations as you need. Keeping your list concise and consistent will make your reports far easier to interpret later. Once your lists are set, you can assign a class or location to your transactions. Open an invoice, expense, or bill. Look for the class or location dropdown. Depending on your form, the location field typically appears near the top and applies to the whole transaction, while class may appear either at the top for the entire transaction or on each individual line. If it's on the line, you can tag different lines with different classes, which is useful when a single transaction spans multiple areas of your business. Simply select the appropriate option from the dropdown and save the transaction as you normally would. Consistent use of classes and locations pays off when you run your reports, helping you compare performance by department or by location with just a few clicks. If you don't see these fields, your company might not have access to them or they may be turned off, so check with your admin. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.